What's up YouTube, it's your boy Car Venture Reg and welcome back to another video. And in today's video we are gonna go get these rims fixed today, man. You know, I bought these last week and as you can see, if you go back to the last video, they didn't look like this. They were really kind of dirty. Now that, you know, I kind of got them hidden, you know what I'm saying, with the tire shine on them, man. Shout out to Dre. But yeah, it's early. Now we're finna go get them fixed today. Because when I bought this car, I had bought tire and wheel package, meaning that I can get these curb ropes fixed at any time. As long as there's wheels on this vehicle, I get them fixed at any time. So that's what we're gonna do today, because I got more plans for these wheels. Like I told you on the first video, I got way more plans for these wheels, so stay tuned. You know, this is not it. So let's go ahead and get in here and warm her up. But y'all see that I barely got no gas, so I'm gonna go to the gas station and put like Dub in there just so I had some gas or whatever. But right now we're just warming up the car. So as I'm warming up this car, y'all, let me go ahead and talk to y'all. I had like a whole vision for this car, you know what I'm saying? Like when I bought this car, the first thing, because I don't have a lot of money, y'all. I don't, so I can't do exactly what I want to do right now, but I had a vision for it, for what I can do right now with my budget. So I'm like, you know what, I love the 2005 or 2006 rims on the coupe, so I'm gonna go ahead and slap those on. I'm gonna go ahead and do something else to the wheels. I'm not gonna tell y'all what it is yet. Y'all may have an idea, but I'm not gonna officially tell y'all yet. Y'all gotta stay tuned onto the videos. And I'm like, you know what, I think it's gonna look super duper dope, because another thing is that I want to start filming with both of the cars really soon. I got a whole bunch of ideas that I could do with both of the cars, since both of the cars are Infinitis. This one is a G35 and the other one is a G37, so I have a whole lot of videos that I could do with the two cars. Obviously I'm gonna need some help, but I have a whole lot of videos that I can do. But anyway, I want to try to get this car looking right so it can kind of match the G37, how the way that one is looking right now, because that one is not too stockish, you know what I'm saying? So I want to kind of not make this car stockish, you know what I'm saying? I want it to have a certain look to it. So that's what I'm aiming for in these next couple of weeks, these next couple of videos, as y'all gonna see. I got a lot of stuff on the way for this car and the other car, so y'all definitely want to stay tuned, man. I got a lot of stuff coming on, plus like I said, in future videos I'm going to be recording with both of the cars. Now I believe the first time y'all seen both of the cars is when I bought the rims. So be excited, man. You know, I got a whole bunch of content on the way with both of the cars, but we finna go ahead and go to the gas station right now. I'm warming up a little bit, but we finna go to the gas station right now, and if y'all can tell, I'm tired as fuck. All right, y'all, just pulled up to the gas station, and I'm gonna let y'all see these prices right now. This is crazy. Look at that. And I gotta get that 91, so let's go ahead and fill her up, man. Well, not fill her up. I ain't, yeah, hell no. All right, y'all, let's see what Dub 5 gets you. Yeah, a little bit under a half a tank. So we get ready to pull into the dealership right now. And fun fact, y'all, I bought both of my cars at this dealership. It's crazy, right? Crazy. So yeah, as y'all can see, service right here. I know they looking like, that's an Infiniti. What is he doing here? I think this guy is lost. No, I'm not. I'm not lost. Here they go with that bullshit.
So did they tell you how it works? Like you leave the car here, it's
Yeah.
24 hours. But see, they don't work on Saturdays. So
oh yeah, you know what? He told me that. He did tell me that. He said I could leave the car though, because this is the only day I could drop it off.
So wait, you're gonna drop it off and not pick it up until Monday?
Yeah, or whenever it's done. He said don't worry about it.
But they don't let you borrow a loaner for this.
Oh no, I have another car.
Okay.
So, as y'all can see, I'm back at the G37. So they told me that it won't be done until Monday or Tuesday. So right now it's just a waiting game, and we'll see what the rims will look like when they get done. She also said, oh, I gotta call and make sure that, you know, they can do these rims, you know. I'm gonna continue this video when I get the car back. So this is just the first part of the video, and then we're getting ready to head into future right about now. And just like that, we're in the future. Crazy how things work, right? But obviously I got the car back. You know, I'm over here warming it up. Gotta make sure, you know, she's good before, you know, I go ahead and step on baby. But the rims came back and it looks perfect. Actually look like it's brand new. I'm gonna get ready to show y'all in a minute when I get to the spot. It's kind of windy outside, y'all, so the wind noise is too loud. I'm sorry, but you know, still gotta record the video today. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the rims. The rims actually look brand new, and you know, I'm really excited about it. So I know people gonna be like, bro, why you just didn't go out and buy no rims? You know what I'm saying? Why you getting the OEM rims or whatever, and you trying to fix it up, making it look all new and stuff like that? Because rims on the G37 was $2,700. I don't have that, so we're doing it the cheaper way, and it's gonna look good. I promise. When everything come together, I'm gonna just let y'all know this right now. I got so many car parts on the way as we speak. You know what I'm saying? I'm just waiting for everything to get here so I could put it on. Because some things I can't put on by itself because it has to go together. So I got a lot of stuff coming for the G35, y'all. And also, if y'all watch the G37 videos as well, I got a lot of stuff coming for that car too. So y'all gotta stay tuned. But anyways, we finna go ahead and go to the spot right now, and I'm gonna show y'all the rims and show you how it looks, and let me know in the comments if they look fire. All right, y'all, don't judge me. I know my car is dirty. I know, but you know, look at it. You know, it's winter right now, and you know, it's been raining, got the fog out and all that stuff, so it gets dirty a little faster. But let's go ahead and look at the rims, man. Look, like I told y'all, man, don't these look brand new? Look, all the curb rub is going. Oh my gosh, got the marks off the rims too. Feel like I just bought some brand new rims. They also did like black powder coating inside too, to fix all that rust that was inside the wheel. Look at this one. All of them are in like really good condition now. Like, these look like I just bought them, you know what I'm saying, fresh. So I'm really happy about these, you know what I'm saying? I'm real happy about these. See? Also with this one, no scratches, no nothing, you know. Then we go to the back one, no scratches, no nothing. So as y'all can see, man, how's the car coming along? How y'all liking the build? Let me know in the comments below. How y'all liking the build, man? Does it look fire already? Like, oh my gosh, if I tell y'all the plans, what I got that's on the way, y'all gonna be like, bro, in the next couple of videos, this car gonna look like a whole nother car, I'm telling you. And just a quick thing, why I really wanted those wheels is because I fell in love with those wheels when it came out with the later G35s. But I like the 04, but I like the look of the 06 and the 07 G35. So that could kind of give you a hint on where I'm going with it. But if you know, you know. If you don't, you don't. But anyways, I love these wheels, man. I always said, man, if I get a G35, I gotta get these wheels. These wheels are fire. I love them, man. Yeah, y'all, I just wanted to show y'all the wheels, man. They look fire. Don't they look fire? Woo. Hold on, let's take a look from the back. Right now, I'm about to insert some B-roll. Let's go now. So we back shooting the car, y'all. As y'all seen the B-roll, man. There's a lot of wind out there, so I didn't want it to mess up the audio or nothing. So let me know in the comments how y'all liking the wheels, man. Y'all messing with it? Can y'all see the look that I'm going for? Like, let me know in the comments, man. Let me know. But we got way more mods on the way. I'm letting you guys know that right now. We got way more mods on the way for both of the cars, for the G35 and the G37. So you definitely want to stay tuned. I'm letting you know that right now. You definitely want to stay tuned because I got a lot of stuff coming. Like I said, I'm doing one more thing to these wheels, which I'm about to be on my way to right now to go get some quotes. So like I said, if you know, you know, I'm dropping hints, I'm dropping hints. But, you know, I'm gonna just leave it at that. And just stay tuned to the channel, man. I got a lot of fire content coming your way. Let me know how you guys liking the content. You know, I'm taking a step back from reactions and I'm putting money into, you know, my cars. So if y'all really rock with me, man, show y'all support. Like this video, man. Watch a couple of ads or two, you know what I'm saying? But if they're too long, man, I would skip two. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. I would skip two. But you know, if y'all support me so I can continue to build these cars. And you know, I want to be different on YouTube. But this video is done. I hope you guys like the rims, man. The rims look so good. They look fire. You know, it just brings out a whole nother look for this car, man. And now I got, I ain't gonna say too much, but y'all stay tuned for the next video. I'll catch y'all in the next upload. Peace. We out.
Pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up.